Hello friends! Today we are becoming little chefs in our very own kitchen. We are going to learn how science helps us bake delicious, sweet treats. First, we need to put on our clean aprons and wash our hands. Baking is like magic where different ingredients mix together to make something new. Flour is the main ingredient that gives our bread and cakes their shape. Sugar makes our treats taste sweet and helps the crust turn golden brown. Butter makes everything taste rich and helps our cookies stay nice and soft. Eggs are like the glue that holds all the other ingredients together tightly. Baking powder is a special powder that makes our cakes rise up high. When it gets hot, the powder makes tiny bubbles of air inside dough. Yeast is a living thing that eats sugar and helps bread become fluffy. Salt is very important because it makes all the other flavors taste better. We must measure everything carefully using our colorful cups and silver spoons. Pour the white flour into a big glass bowl to start our mix. Now we add the sweet sugar and a little bit of yellow butter. Use a big wooden spoon to stir everything together in a circle. A whisk helps us beat the eggs until they are bubbly and yellow. Mixing helps create gluten, which makes our bread chewy and very yummy. Vanilla extract comes from a bean and smells just like a sweet dream. We can add colorful sprinkles to make our cupcakes look bright and happy. Chocolate chips are a fun surprise to hide inside our round cookie dough. Once the dough is ready, we put it into a shiny metal pan. An adult helps us put the pan into the hot, glowing oven. Heat is the energy that causes all the scientific changes to happen fast. Inside the oven, the liquid batter slowly turns into a solid cake. Smells of sweet cinnamon and warm sugar start to fill the whole house. Watch through the oven door as the muffins grow bigger and bigger. The timer goes ding when the baking is finally finished and ready. We must let the treats cool down before we add the sugary frosting. Frosting can be pink, blue, or even bright green like the soft glass. We can use a piping bag to make pretty swirls on our cupcakes. Baking is a great way to learn about numbers and measuring things. It also teaches us how to be patient while we wait for treats. Sharing our baked goods with friends makes everyone feel very happy and kind. You can bake healthy muffins using sweet carrots or even bumpy blueberries. Fruit adds natural sugar and vitamins to help our bodies grow strong. Different countries have special breads like flat pita or long French baguettes. Some people bake giant pretzels that are shaped like a big, twisty knot. Science is everywhere, even in the yummy cookies we eat for a snack. Always remember to clean up the floury mess when you are all done. Put the dishes in the sink and wipe the counter until it shines. You are now a master of the science of baking, little chef. Today we learned how flour, sugar, and heat make delicious, sweet treats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures today. See you next time, little explorers. Keep learning and having fun. Bye bye.